to the most Reverend Brent Alawas, and to the whole community of the Episcopal Church in the Philippines. Warm greetings of peace. We in the Iglesia Filipina Independiente are glad to participate in the installation service of the Most Reverend Brent Alawas as the new Prime Bishop of the Episcopal Church in the Philippines, succeeding the Most Reverend Joel Patchao. We extend our prayer and best wishes to the new Prime Bishop and our warm congratulations to the whole community of the Episcopal Church in the Philippines. We rejoice with the peaceful and smooth transition of leadership in this church despite the pandemic, as Prime Bishop Brent begins the duties of his primacy today. We wish all the best to Bishop Joel Patchao as he begins to enjoy his retirement and spend more time with Ma'am Presi and their family. The leadership of the Iglesia Filipina Independiente is confident that Prime Bishop Brent will bring in fresh gift and contribution to further enrich the life and mission of the Episcopal Church in the Philippines and to the whole of the Anglican Communion. Knowing Prime Bishop Brent in our days at St. Andrews and constantly playing basketball games with him, I am certain that he will be playing his best in his role as the spiritual head, chief pastor, and chief executive officer of the church, leading the Episcopal Church in the Philippines in its mission, safeguarding the faith, presiding over its corporate worship and discipline, and exercising pastoral care over its congregation. The Iglesia Filipina Independiente maintains and cherishes the concordant relations it had entered to and signed with the Autonomous Episcopal Church in the Philippines since 1990. And even then, with the Episcopal Church of the United States of America, now known as the Episcopal Church, beginning in 1961. We sustain this concordant relation with our regular prayers and with collaborative work for common witness and mutual concerns and mission in our own context and setting here in the Philippines. As Obispo Maximo, I am really honored and privileged to have sit together with both the outgoing and the incoming Prime Bishop of the Episcopal Church in the Philippines in several meetings of the Council of Churches in East Asia since our election as Obispo Maximo in 2017. It is like refreshing our days as seminarians at St. Andrew's Theological Seminary. We rejoice and praise God for the primatial ministry of the Most Reverend Brent Alawas. We thank God for the ministry of the former Prime Bishop Joel Patchao. We continue to pray for the life and mission of the Episcopal Church in the Philippines as it continues to give witness to our nation and to the world. And as token of our joy and felicitations, we offer a humble gift on your installation, your grace. And may I call on the two highest officers of the Iglesia Filipina Independiente, the General Treasurer and the Auditor General, to present this gift. Your Grace, the gift is the image of the Birhen sa Balintawak, one of the three endemic images of the Blessed Virgin Mary in the Iglesia Filipina Independiente. It portrays the Blessed Virgin Mary wearing the native Filipino dress, with the child Jesus wearing the uniform of the Katipunero, with the banner screaming the aspiration of the Filipinos during the Philippine Revolution of 1896, of national independence and liberation of the Filipinos from the bondage of Spain and of America, saying, Ama, sumilang nawa ang aming pagsasarili. Both the Iglesia Filipina Independiente and the Episcopal Church in the Philippines share the liberative message of the image of Birhen sa Balintawak, as the Concordat churches participate in the people's struggle for the reign of justice, peace, and independence in our land, and for the emancipation of our women from the domineering system of patriarchy in our society, and for the empowerment of women in the church's life, as both the Episcopal Church in the Philippines and the Iglesia Filipina Independiente ordain women to the ministry. May God bless the new Prime Bishop. May God keep the Episcopal Church in the Philippines faithful to its mission. And may the Concordat churches, the Episcopal Church in the Philippines and the Iglesia Filipina Independiente, be the churches that stand with and advocate for the struggling sectors of our people in our society. Mabuhay po kayo, Bishop Brent. Mabuhay ang Episcopal Church in the Philippines. Salamat.